Welcome to Abu Dhabi, the capital of the United Arab Emirates, a city where ambition shapes the skyline and dreams become reality. Here, shimmering towers rise from the desert, connected by grand bridges over the Azure Sea. With nearly 3 million people, Abu Dhabi is a vibrant crossroads of global cultures and innovation. This city is more than wealth. It's a testament to visionary leadership and sustainable progress. From its meticulously planned streets to its groundbreaking green projects, Abu Dhabi leads the way into the future. Join me as we uncover the story of a humble pearling village transformed into a global powerhouse. Prepare to be captivated by Abu Dhabi, an oasis of ambition and endless possibility. To understand Abu Dhabi, you must see both its ancient soul and its futuristic vision. The city's name, Father of the Gazelle, comes from a legend of discovery and survival. Here, the heritage of pearl divers and fishermen is cherished alongside cutting-edge innovation. Abu Dhabi is a leader in sustainability, with projects like Masdar City shaping the eco-cities of tomorrow. It's a place where tradition and progress coexist, from ancient forts to Formula One races. Our journey will reveal a city that honors its past while racing toward the future. Abu Dhabi proves a city can be both rooted in history and boldly modern. Every city has a founding myth. Abu Dhabi's begins with a gazelle leading the Bani Yas tribe to fresh water. This discovery turned a barren island into a home, where resilience and cooperation defined life. The Bani Yas thrived as pearl divers, their culture shaped by the sea's bounty and hardship. Modest wealth sustained a society built on patience, courage, and family. This humble beginning is the foundation of today's metropolis. The legend of the gazelle is more than folklore. It's a metaphor for finding abundance in scarcity. Abu Dhabi's journey is one of hope, survival, and destiny. The spirit of discovery still pulses through the city's veins. For centuries, Abu Dhabi's fortunes rose and fell with the pearl trade, until cultured pearls from Japan collapsed the industry. The city faced hardship, but hope endured. Geologists searched the desert, believing another treasure lay hidden. In 1958, oil was discovered at the Murban Bab field, changing everything. The once poor village now sat atop vast oil reserves, drawing global attention. The first oil export in 1962 unlocked a new era of development. Oil wealth built roads, hospitals, and schools, transforming the city. Abu Dhabi was reborn, ready to shape its own destiny. Oil brought wealth, but it was Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan's vision that built a nation. As ruler from 1966, he invested oil revenues in education, healthcare, and housing for all. Sheikh Zayed dreamed of unity, forging the United Arab Emirates in 1971. Abu Dhabi became the capital, the heart of a new federation. Under his leadership, the city blossomed with parks, wide boulevards, and millions of trees. His legacy lives on in every corner, from the Grand Mosque to the multicultural society. Sheikh Zayed was the architect of modern Abu Dhabi. He transformed a legendary discovery into a lasting reality for generations. Today's Abu Dhabi is a city of ambition, where the skyline tells a story of progress. Bold, futuristic architecture defines the city, from the iconic Etihad Towers to the leaning Capitol Gate. Each building is a statement. Abu Dhabi is a global player, unafraid to challenge convention. The Corniche's glittering towers reflect the Emirates' relentless momentum. Landmarks like ADNOC headquarters and Capitol Gate showcase innovation and vision. The skyline is a living resume, each spire a chapter in Abu Dhabi's journey. This city doesn't just build, it inspires awe and imagination. Abu Dhabi's horizon is ever-changing, always reaching higher. Beyond the steel and glass, Abu Dhabi pursues a green dream, to create a sustainable oasis in the desert. Inspired by Sheikh Zayed's vision, the city now flourishes with millions of trees and vibrant parks. This transformation relies on ingenuity, desalinated water, and a commitment to sustainability. Masdar City stands as a symbol, powered by renewables, blending technology and tradition. Abu Dhabi's green ambition proves a desert city can be both prosperous and sustainable. Abu Dhabi's skyline shows its ambition, but its smart city vision is its mind, transforming life with technology and innovation. AI powers everything from traffic to public services, making daily life seamless and efficient. With new metro lines and futuristic transport, the city is scripting its own future. Abu Dhabi is building a smart, sustainable metropolis for generations to come. Abu Dhabi's economic pulse was long powered by oil, fueling its rise into a modern metropolis. But visionary leaders saw the need to diversify. Today, the Emirate is investing in tourism, finance, and innovation, transforming from an energy capital into a global business hub. This is a masterful transition from resource wealth to a knowledge-based economy. Abu Dhabi is a vibrant mosaic of cultures where Emiratis and expatriates from around the world live side by side. Over 80% of the population are expats, drawn by opportunity and safety. English is the common language, but you'll hear Hindi, Urdu, Tagalog, and many more. Deeply rooted in Islamic tradition, the city balances respect for heritage with openness to all cultures. This harmony creates a unique, cosmopolitan human fabric. The rhythm of life in Abu Dhabi is structured and purposeful, yet it leaves ample room for leisure and family. The standard working week runs from Monday to Friday, a change made in recent years to better align with global markets. The workday typically begins early to take advantage of the cooler morning hours. For many, the commute is a smooth and efficient affair, thanks to the city's well-planned road network and modern transport options. The professional environment is ambitious and fast-paced, reflecting the city's drive to be a global leader in business, finance, and technology. It is a city built for productivity and achievement. When the work week ends on Friday afternoon, the city's atmosphere transforms. The weekend is a cherished time, dedicated to family, friends, and relaxation. The pace slows and the focus shifts from boardrooms to beaches, from deadlines to dining. Families flock to the city's magnificent parks and pristine public beaches. The shopping malls become bustling social hubs, offering not just retail therapy, but also cinemas, restaurants, and entertainment for all ages. It is a time to recharge and reconnect, a vital counterpoint to the intensity of the work week. Ensuring a healthy work-life balance is not just a concept but a reality. Sport and wellness play a huge role in the weekend rhythm. The stunning Corniche promenade fills with cyclists, joggers, and walkers enjoying the sea breeze. Water sports are immensely popular, with jet skis, paddleboards, and boats dotting the turquoise waters around the island. For thrill seekers, the desert beckons. Weekend trips for dune bashing, camel riding, and overnight camping under the stars in the vast Rubs Al Khali are a common adventure for residents. This emphasis on an active lifestyle is supported by world-class facilities, from state-of-the-art gyms to championship golf courses, promoting a culture of health and well-being. As evening falls, the city's social life comes alive. The dining scene is incredibly diverse, catering to every taste and budget, from luxurious fine dining restaurants to humble street food gems. Cafe culture is also integral to the social fabric, with trendy spots offering Arabic coffee, elaborate desserts, and shisha becoming popular gathering places for long conversations. This rhythm, a cycle of hard work followed by rewarding leisure, defines the daily experience in Abu Dhabi. It is a lifestyle that combines ambition with enjoyment and global modernity with the timeless importance of community and family. The Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque is a place that quiets the mind and stirs the soul. Conceived by Sheikh Zayed, it unites people of all backgrounds in peace and beauty. Its 82 domes and elegant minarets rise like a mirage of white marble. Inside, marble, gold, and light create a sanctuary for all. The Grand Mosque is Abu Dhabi's heart, a timeless gift of beauty and peace. Beyond the Grand Mosque lies the seat of power and the cradle of Abu Dhabi's history. Qasr Al Watan, a modern masterpiece, honors the nation's heritage and welcomes the world. Nearby, Qasr Al Hosn stands as Abu Dhabi's oldest building, a silent witness to its transformation. Together, these landmarks embody the Emirates' journey, its enduring roots and soaring ambition. On Saadiyat Island, the Louvre Abu Dhabi rises above the water, a masterpiece of architecture and culture. Its silvery dome, inspired by palm leaves, creates a magical rain of light. Inside, art from across civilizations is displayed side by side, telling humanity's shared story. The Louvre Abu Dhabi is a bridge between cultures, inviting the world to discover what unites us all. Along Abu Dhabi's coast lies a hidden treasure, the lush Eastern Mangrove National Park, a vibrant sanctuary teeming with life. Here, dense mangroves shelter fish, crabs, and over 60 bird species, all thriving beside the city's skyline. Kayak or paddleboard through peaceful channels for close encounters with wildlife and a tranquil escape from urban life. Abu Dhabi's mangroves are a testament to the Emirates' commitment to preserving nature alongside modernity. Beyond Abu Dhabi's green coast lies the legendary Rub Al Khali, the Empty Quarter. Its vast dunes and profound silence offer adventure and awe. Desert safaris reveal Arabian heritage, while island retreats like Sir Bani Yas blend wildlife, luxury, and conservation. Whether in the endless desert or on tranquil islands, Abu Dhabi's wild escapes connect you to the elemental beauty that shaped this land. Yas Island is Abu Dhabi's ultimate destination for fun, adrenaline, and world-class entertainment. Experience the thrill of Formula Rossa, meet your favorite characters, and dive into aquatic adventures, all in one place. Ferrari World, Warner Brothers World, and Yas Water World each offer unforgettable moments for every visitor. Whether you're a thrill seeker or a family, Yas Island is a universe of entertainment, showcasing Abu Dhabi's playful side. Abu Dhabi is remarkably easy to navigate, thanks to its logical grid system and efficient public transport. Whether you're arriving at the stunning new airport, or exploring city landmarks, options like modern buses, taxis, and ride-hailing apps make travel seamless. Roads are wide and well-maintained, and future metro plans promise even more connectivity. Navigating the capital is truly a breeze. To truly know a place, you must taste its food. The dining scene in Abu Dhabi is a delicious reflection of its multicultural identity, a tantalizing journey for the senses. At its heart is the rich and aromatic Emirati cuisine, a culinary tradition born from the desert and the sea. A must-try dish is makbous, a fragrant and flavorful rice dish, slow-cooked with spices like cardamom, turmeric, and cinnamon, and served with tender chicken, lamb, or fish. Another beloved classic is haris, a comforting and savory porridge of wheat and meat, cooked for hours until it reaches a smooth, creamy consistency. These dishes offer a true taste of local hospitality. For a sweet finish to an Emirati meal, nothing compares to lukaimat. These are small, deep-fried dumplings, crispy on the outside and soft on the inside, which are then drizzled generously with sweet date syrup and sprinkled with sesame seeds. They are incredibly Moorish and a perfect accompaniment to a cup of traditional Arabic coffee. To experience these authentic flavors, seek out restaurants like Al Fanar or Melas, which are dedicated to preserving and celebrating the nation's culinary heritage. Dining in these places feels like being welcomed into an Emirati home, offering a glimpse into the soul of the culture. But Abu Dhabi's culinary landscape extends far beyond its traditional roots. As a global crossroads, the city boasts an extraordinary variety of international cuisines, catering to every palate and price point. For a taste of luxury, world-renowned restaurants like Zuma, Hakkasan, and Koya offer exquisite Japanese, Chinese, and Peruvian dishes in stunningly chic settings. These establishments are destinations in their own right, providing a world-class fine dining experience that rivals any major global capital. They are perfect for a special occasion or for those looking to indulge in the height of culinary artistry. Beyond the high-end glamour, there is a thriving scene of budget-friendly eateries that are beloved by locals. Places like Automatic Restaurant serve up fantastic and affordable Lebanese grills, while Manouche Street offers delicious flatbreads with a variety of toppings. The city's cafe culture is also booming, with countless trendy spots perfect for enjoying a coffee, a decadent date dessert, or a relaxing evening with friends over shisha. From lavish feasts to humble street food, the dining scene in Abu Dhabi is a vibrant and delicious adventure, offering a flavor for every moment of your journey. Abu Dhabi is a paradise for shoppers, from luxury malls to vibrant souks. Explore the Galleria's designer boutiques, Yas Mall's family fun, and the sensory delights of Al Mina Souk and the Dates Market. After shopping, unwind in world-class hotels. Whether it's the opulent Emirates Palace or a stylish mid-range stay, Abu Dhabi's hospitality ensures comfort and unforgettable experiences for every traveler. The best time to visit Abu Dhabi is between November and March, when the weather is mild and the city buzzes with festivals and events. Enjoy clear skies, outdoor attractions, and vibrant celebrations like the Formula One Grand Prix and UAE National Day. Summer is quieter and more affordable but very hot. Plan for indoor fun. Abu Dhabi is safe, clean, and family-friendly, blending modern luxury with rich culture. Weigh your options and plan for an unforgettable trip. Abu Dhabi is a city where past, present, and future converge. Here, tradition and innovation exist side by side, from the marbled halls of Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque to the creative pulse of Louvre Abu Dhabi. Born from the sea, transformed by vision, it welcomes the world with open arms. This is the essence of Abu Dhabi, a timeless story, a jewel of the Emirates, always reaching for a brighter tomorrow.